Core materials. Plywood. What is it made of? Plywood is made up of thin layers of wood, called plies, that are glued together for strength. The most commonly available sheet sizes are 8 feet by 4 feet and 7 feet by 3 feet. It is available in commercial and marine grades. Where is it commonly used? Plywood forms the core material for your kitchen cabinets, wardrobe boxes, and other furniture. It is always completely covered with a surface material such as laminate and edge banding, so you cannot see it once your boxes are finished. Recommendation: we recommend that you opt for marine quality plywood, either BWP, boiling waterproof, or BWR, boiling water resistant, plywood for areas where you expect a lot of moisture. Your kitchen and bathrooms, for instance. Designers use commercial ply to make furniture in areas where there is less chance of moisture, like the living room. Expert tip: plywood can bend if it is used in lengthy pieces. Designers prefer HDHMR or other materials like glass or mirror over plywood to make longer shutters. MDF, medium density fiber. What is it made of? Medium density fiberboard, MDF, is made up of small particles of wood that are engineered with resin or wax and pressed together to form a board. As it uses recycled wood, it is an eco-friendly material that is economical as well. Where is it commonly used? Like plywood, MDF is used as the core material for cabinets and wardrobes. It is also the most common material used for making ready-made furniture. However, it has less durability than plywood, and is not suitable for bathrooms or sink boxes in kitchens as it is not moisture resistant. Recommendation: we recommend that you use MDF as the core material for crockery shelves, bedroom and living room units. Expert tip: carpenters can shape and groove MDF easily, but it needs additional reinforcement while attaching screws and hinges. Particle board. What is it made of? Particle board is manufactured in a process similar to MDF and is also called low-density fiberboard. The particles that make up particle board are tiny wood chips, sawdust or sawmill shavings. It is also the option that is lightest on the wallet. Where is it commonly used? Commonly used for cost-effective furniture, office workstations, and cabinet shutters, particle board is usually available with lamination on one or both sides to increase the durability. Recommendation: particle board should be used in areas where durability is not a major concern. For instance, if you are renting out your apartment for a couple of years and want a low-cost option that can be scrapped and redone after that time frame, then a particle board is just right for you. Expert tip: make sure that you use particle boards only for items like walls of cabinets, as it cannot support much weight. Particle board should not be used for furniture where a heavy load is expected. WPC, wood plastic composite. What is it made of? Wood plastic composite combines wood fiber, other fillers, and thermoplastics. Thus it is less susceptible to decomposition. It is easy to maintain and is waterproof, requiring less maintenance than other alternatives. It is also considered to be an environmentally friendly material. Where is it commonly used? Interior designers mostly use WPC for flooring, partitions and indoor furniture. Recommendation: we recommend that you use WPC as the core material for kitchen cabinets or for making furniture. Expert tip: all these types of boards are available as pre-lam or pre-laminated options as well. This means that a laminated surface is already pressed onto one or both sides of the board. HDHMR, high density high moisture resistance fiber. What is it made of? HDHMR stands for high density high moisture resistance boards. These boards are made by combining fiber chips and wood chips. This combination is pressed together to a single layer to form a robust high-density board. The board also boasts of a homogeneous surface without undulations, making it suitable for high-gloss finishes. The multidimensional bond and its single glue architecture provides higher moisture resistance when compared to plywood variants. And HDHMR comes with higher screw strength, sometimes close to 10 times more than usual block board and plywood. Where is it commonly used? Interior designers mostly use HDHMR for shutters. Recommendation: we recommend that you use HDHMR as the core material for wardrobe shutters. Expert tip: HDHMR should be your go-to material when you're using a high-gloss laminate.